nakakabalik pa rin every time na sumasayaw ka on stage. Pero, ang preparation is, ano lang, dapat maayos lang yung isip mo na you're in front of many people and I have to do my best.
Yes. Kasi kilala po kayo sa mga, hindi lang po yung mga hip-hop, ganyan. Talagang lumalambigin po kayo. Diba? Gusto ko din po yun, kaso nahulog ako.
Sabi ko next.
Sa showtime.
Your showtime.
Ay, sige po. Susi pa, tsaka.
Pero dito daw yung tali.
Kinakatanta po kayo?
Hindi naman. Ay, ikaw lang. Kasi Dan.
Ay!
Kung alam nila kinakabahan ko talaga ako.
Hindi ako naman. Nakakaba naman.
Okay. Kayo naman po, Sir Paul, ang tanong ka naman po sa inyo, bakit ba ang galing naman pakinig?
Hindi naman pakilig, pero alam niyo naman sa isang serye o pelikula lang, may script na sinusundan.
BMC, I love you!
May mga sinusundan rin na directions from the director. So, sinusundan lang namin yung pace, tapos tinatry lang namin i-enhance. Like for example, with me and Kim for Linlang and Secretary Kim, and may constant effort lagi to make the scene work.
And then po yung second question ko, ano po yung, what's that? Ladies
and gentlemen, please help me welcome. Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino.
Let's go, sis! Oh my God! Ay, grabe, gwapo! Ang ganda ni Chinita! Secretary Kim! Secretary Kim!
Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino.
BMC! Ay! Ay, ganda ko dyan. Napakaganda. Napakagwapo na siya. Ay! BMC, Secretary Kim!
Alright, Kim Pao as your warm welcome. Kim, you want to greet our audiences live ngayon sa social media and dito sa event natin.
Yes, hello! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat na nandito.
Good afternoon!
Listeners ko. Nanonood online ba?
Yes!
Hapon sa inyo.
Alright, Paolo, we want to hear from you.
Yes, I just want to say good afternoon to everyone.
BMC!
We're as excited as you guys to perform for our Filipino community here tomorrow.
Grabe yung sexy ng boses.
Natin dito. As I was saying, hindi na makapagantay ang ating mga social media. So yun, sino gusto mauna sa ask question?
Starstruck na. Starstruck na po kami.
Kaya tayo. Ikaw, Chick, the Princess of Dubai.
Every day. Ako lang. Welcome po. Marami pong madlang people dito. Ano ba? Yun lang, thank you. Tanong ko lang po, for Miss Kim and Sir Paolo, Forman, Arden. Sa inyo po, syempre po, di ba, kayo po ang tinaguriang the dancing princess ng JAS. How do you brush your teeth? Ano ba yung preparations niyo before performance?
Siyempre, kabisaduhin yung sayaw, yung mabuti, pero at the same time, nakakabalik pa rin every time na sumasayaw ka on stage. Pero, ang preparation is, ano lang, dapat maayos lang yung isip mo na you're in front of many people and I have to do my best.
Yes. Kasi kilala po sa mga ano, hindi lang po yung mga hip-hop, ganyan. Talagang lumalambigin po kayo. Di ba? Gusto ko din po yun, kaso nahulog ako.
Sabi ko next.
Sa showtime.
Your show next.
Ay, sige po. Susi pa, sorry.
Pero dito daw yung tali.
Kinakabahan pa po kayo.
Hindi naman. Ay, ikaw lang. Kasi Dan.
Ay!
Kung alam nila kinakabahan po talaga ako.
Hindi ako naman. Nakakaba naman.
Okay. Kayo naman po, Sir Paul, ang tanong ka naman po sa inyo, bakit ba ang galing mo magpakilig?
Hindi naman bakilig, pero alam niyo naman sa isang serye o pelikula lagi may script na sinusundan.
BMC, I love you!
may mga sinusundan rin na directions from the director. So, sinusundan lang namin yung pace. Tapos, tinatry lang namin i-enhance. Like, for example, with me and Kim for Linlang and Secretary Kim. And may constant effort lagi to make the scene work.
And then po yung second question ko, ano po yung, what's that? Kasi pakibigay ko pa ako. Ano po yung kakaiba niya itong proyekto niyo sa mga iba niya po yung proyekto?
Ako parang sabi ko nga sa taas, nakasabi ko lang na parang, ano ba yun? Parang puro rom-com na yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Parang nakakapanibago. Tapos, sinabi ni Kim na,
Masyado na kasi siyang serious. It's about time, di ba? Parang bagay naman siya rom-com, di ba po?
Yeah!
Bagay!
Mas bagay ko.
iba-iba naman.
Ano po, mas bagay po kayo nung nakapin.
Take tayo.
Hindi na ako magtato. Thank you.
Thank you so much!
Ano ang outfit?
Ano na? Sige na. BMC, I love you!
Welcome to Dubai. We are from Expat Media. We're very happy to see you here in Dubai. Actually, yung mga fans ninyo, parating nag-message sa amin. Asking, kailan ba talaga sila mag-on stage? In fact, one group even reached out to us and saying they really want to book the tickets for the tour flags so they can film you tomorrow. So that just shows us how big of a fandom you have, not just here in the UAE, but in the Philippines as well. And speaking of your fandom, one of the questions that I actually wanted to ask you was about your love team, like your on-screen love team. What do you think exactly makes it work? And bakit nga ba magaling kayo mapakilig sa tao?
Hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Tsaka naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung bakit na-support sa amin. Pero sobrang kaming thankful na nai-inspire namin sila and kinikilig sila sa amin dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sumusuporta sa amin.
And to add to what Kim said, I think it's also yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other. Because I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year, and no one knew about Linlang, no one knew about Sec Kim or anything yet. So parang lagi ko kausap si Kim. Parang may performance tayo. Parang paano natin ipapakita sa audience para abangan nila yung Linlang yun. And paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work, because I mean not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim, and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions.
And for tomorrow, can you give us a sneak peek of what your fans can expect on stage sa Kalayaan 2024? Sayaw siya.
For tomorrow, I think we're doing, I'm doing 3 songs and we're doing 2 duets.
That's good.
I don't think, well, maybe for the Kim Paos who have been following us. I don't think they'll see anything new because I only have a pool of songs that I can sing. As I always say, I'm always an actor first, and everything after that is a bonus. Unless they make me sing and act at the same time. But yeah, we'll try our best to para hindi kayo mabitin or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow. So.
Ako naman, yun nga, sabi ni Paolo, siguro they're gonna see me sing and dance and sing with Pao and then call it chika-chika with the audience and everything, and then excited din kami to be with mga kababayan dito sa Dubai and makita namin sila and makapag-perform. Sana marami makapunta bukas. Sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat bukas.
Yung mahirap na kasi yung mga set of influencers natin na pan-tropico. Ito pwede silang sumabay lang naman sa'yo.
Tingnan natin.
We have somebody from the Global Filipino Magazine.
Global Filipino Magazine?
Hi, Kim Pao. My name is JD from the Global Filipino Magazine. Welcome to Dubai. Here's our question po. Since after Barrio Fiesta, sina Piola, Maris, and Francet, I think ang mga ka-global natin dito sa Gitang Silangan, they've all been waiting for sa Kim Pao. Yeah,
And the long way is finally over. Our question,
the question po is, what is next after What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Will it ever be considered for Kim Pao to do a movie project here, or will be shot here in Dubai? Kung possible lang.
Ano na nga yung pelikula ginawa dati sa...
Dubai.
Money and Love. Coco Martin. And
Angelica and
Coco Martin, yes.
But for another project, for a movie project, probably there's a strong possibility that we might do it.
Looking forward to that.
Strong possibility.
Abangan.
And as for, parang yun po muna for now. Parang we have a lot of local shows also in the Philippines this year to give, para mapasaya rin yung mga ibang kababayan natin sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. And hopefully, we get to perform for other Filipino communities in other countries. Isa sa mga favorite talagang nagpo-perform sa ibang bansa dahil ano siya parang melting pot ng buong Pilipinas. Kumbaga may taga Luzon, taga Visayas, taga Mindanao, so parang lahat nakakasalamuha mo, nakakausap mo. So it's always a treat and a pleasure to perform for kababayan sa pamilya sa ito.
Thank you, Kim Pao.
Somebody from the Premier Magazine.
Hi po.
Hi.
Questions po, as an aspiring content creators or artist po, like, paano po mag-start? Paano mag-build yung confidence sa pagiging actress?
I think we all have the same problem when we start, that we don't have the confidence. But you know, with repetition and knowledge, comes the confidence. If you know what you're doing and you're confident about if you're sure about what your content is or what your talent is and what you want to showcase, then maybe you can start there and slowly build your confidence. Pero ako hanggang ngayon parang kabado pa rin ako sa mga ganyan. Pero you know, I just kumbaga sa pag-arte, we have a material, we know our environment. Just be familiar. Familiarize yourself with you know, sino ba? Si Jake, parang favorite niya yung sinasabi, Jake Wang, kasi favorite niya sinasabi yung repetition. Because actually helps. Parang rehearsing with yourself, rehearsing the lines, rehearsing the dance steps, rehearsing your spills. Parang doon na ayos, doon mo nakikita. And maybe you could always record yourself also to see kung paano mo gusto i-portray sa audience yung content. I hope that helps.
Ako naman, siguro the simplest way to explain